Hey folks, today we're diving into a rather unusual topic. Is a big penis important for women? Actually, the answer is pretty straightforward. No. A man having a large penis is more useful for showing off in a buddy circle than impressing women. Sure, a big and flashy penis might catch a woman's eye, but it doesn't really matter during sex. Before we jump into the video, let me ask you something simple. You have a big penis but can only last a maximum of 5 minutes in bed. Or you have an average-sized penis and can last 25 minutes. Which do you think a woman would prefer? Or which would you prefer, my friend? I know some guys imagine their grandmas to avoid premature ejaculation. Or others think of game or movie scenes, or even crazier things like monsters or ghosts. The key is to trust yourself. Anyway, we'll cover these topics in the video, so let's get started. Don't forget to watch till the end, leave a comment, and subscribe, folks. Now, onto our topic. Women and big penises. What a big lie. Despite various studies saying different things, the truth is, size isn't everything. According to Dr. Veal, over 85% of women don't care about penis size. Moreover, about 85% of women are satisfied with their partner's size and don't feel the need for an upgrade. In fact, physiologist Dr. Brandy Engler suggests that some research shows women generally prefer men with shorter penises. So why is this? The truth is, penis size says nothing about sperm quality, so there's no real reason to prefer longer ones. Plus, being longer doesn't necessarily mean better for penetration. When a guy ejaculates, the sperm find their target just fine. Extra length isn't needed. What you need to do, my friend, is learn how to effectively wield your sword. And remember, the real game in the bedroom is not the size of the ship, but the motion of the ocean. Knowing the right moves and positions is what matters. Though it's probably not you, but I'm sure you have a friend with a micro penis, around 2 to 3 inches, who can still drive their partners wild, make them cry out in pleasure, or soak the sheets. Remember, it's all about using your tool effectively and hitting the right spot. Also, let's talk about porn. Those marathon scenes in porn are purely fantasy. The truth is, most of us aren't marathon runners in the bedroom. We're sprinters, and about 95% of men worldwide can't go beyond that legendary 30-minute mark. Of course, pinpointing these durations exactly is tough. Health, diet, how often you have sex, and even what you do on your own all play a role. So if people around you are telling epic tales of long-lasting sex, they're probably making it up, or they're experts in the field. But here's a secret, folks. The average time to ejaculation worldwide is between 6 to 18 minutes, excluding those on medication or thinking about their grandmas. Couples having non-stop sex naturally fall within this average. In conclusion, remember, it's not the size, but what you do that matters. Even a Ferrari-like appearance can be just a showpiece in the garage if the driver can't handle it. Don't stress over size or duration. The foundation of a relationship is communication and everyone having a good time, because in the end, that's what truly matters. Don't focus on this too much and enjoy the moment. Just know, the first letter might arrive early, but you'll have to wait a while for the second one. See you in the next video, folks.